Is lead exposure really something you should be concerned about when you're at the shooting range? In this video, I'll be answering that question with some simple preventative solutions. But first, a quick reminder that we've got a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Click the link in the description below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. All right, we're talking about lead exposure at the shooting range, and I don't mean getting shot. Outdoor ranges always used to be better than indoor ranges when it came to limiting airborne lead exposure. But the modern indoor range is so well designed and aerated that outdoor range advantages isn't what it used to be. The first and best step in limiting your exposure to lead oxide is to pick up a bottle of lead removing soap and a few packets of the hand wipes that are impregnated with that said lead removal agent. I'm a big fan of Lead Off, but you can go with whichever product you prefer. You're after a detergent specifically engineered for removing lead and other heavy metals from your skin. If this is the route you'd like to take, when you finish shooting, put all your gear away, then head over to the sink for a scrub down with the lead removal soap. Follow the directions and thoroughly wash your hands and forearms, including any rings, bracelets, watches, anything you're wearing. And if it's practical, also wash your face and prescription glasses if you are wearing any. This will take care of about 90% of what I figure you're looking to get done, which is for you to not ingest any stray lead or introduce any more of it than is necessary into your residence. If you would like to go a little further, or if you will be doing a lot of shooting, I would advise that you designate a light, comfortable long sleeve shirt as your shooting shirt and select a pair of gloves that you will only wear while shooting. These can be washed in a normal washing machine with other clothes without any risk of cross-contamination. The next step in protective measures is to designate range-only footwear, as there will be plenty of lead on the ground wherever you're shooting, but ensuring you've gotten all of that lead off of your hands, face, and clothing will be the highest priority. Folks, you got to remember that lead is a poisonous substance, and every time you fire a round, little bits of lead go floating around in the air. They get on your hands, they get on your face, they get on your gun. Always clean our guns after we shoot, but we should really take the time to make sure that we're washing our hands and face, making sure that we're not ingesting any additional lead. We're never going to get it all, but you want to get as much as you can off your hands, your face, and your gear before you put it all away. Again, lead causes problems, and I know it's just a minuscule amount that's floating around out there, but why not take the extra time just to make sure you're cleaning it up, to make sure nobody gets sick and you don't have any of the bad effects. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. And remind you again, we have a gun giveaway going on. It ends really soon. So click the link below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. We'll notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.